Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you love unique clothing, then you are going to fall in love with this dress from Joiemont.
This is such a unique piece of clothing. I think it is absolutely breathtaking. I really, really love how detailed the embroidery is on this dress. It really is so eye-catching and is done so well. It definitely is a very comfy, baggy, boho kind of dress, and I would definitely recommend sizing down one or two sizes because it is a very loose fitting garment, but I absolutely love how this dress looks. I think it is so beautiful. It is airy and comfortable, and it really is just a unique piece of clothing. I absolutely love how well made this is.
I really think this dress is an absolute work of art, and if you love to have beautiful, unique clothing in your wardrobe, then this dress is something you definitely need to add to it, and that's my point of view.